Is Denji about to lose his V card?
I hope not.
As I said, like, if the situation was reversed, this would be very, very bad.
It's
but you
still
know,
very bad. Doesn't matter who is doing who. He is 16.
Officer, this woman right here. but yeah, let us know what you think. It's interesting. Full-length reaction. Open up your own copy of the episode and sync it up with the timer that will appear within Servy's hands at the end of my countdown. Check out the playlist on the top right. But without further ado, let's get right into the episode. In 3, 2, 1, play. Oh, it's Himeno. Guess this was before? Oh, what?
Just sprawled out.
No wonder why Denji had a headache. He probably has brain damage. He didn't get it from fighting the Eternity Demon. He got it from Himeno dropping him. My god, Himeno. How many beers did you drink?
You saw the table. It was covered in them.
Aki drank a lot, but he's not like this. and I think Makima still won. Oh, she actually has stuff in here.
More beer.
More beer. Oh my goodness. I can't
This
even.
is what we call a problem.
I don't even want to imagine what the hangover is going to be like. God. And here we go. Yes, the 3D camera. This is a very important shot.
The tracking's a little wonky.
Valiant effort, though.
Cool shot. No, a little wonky.
Oh, now there's beer on the floor and on your bed. Why would you do this? Oh, Booba.
Denji.
What are you doing here? Oh, did you already forget? Like, legitimately? Don't worry, dude. It's because she dropped your head on a chair.
He really wasn't a secret.
But I agree with him, Menno, there. Like, seriously, anybody else but Makima. Like, maybe even Himeno, even though she's a bad influence. She's a bad influence, but she's not really a bad person. Just Denji's look of horror.
I mean, his experiences have been flawed. First, the groping of the boobies was Power's lie. Then his first kiss was full of vomit.
I guess it's just Denji's path to learning that it ain't all that, man. Really anal hat. I mean, that could be a good thing. That means that he might want Makima a little less. But that's just wishful thinking.
You just noticed the plague doctor looking dude.
Yeah, we got some people in the back there. Some girl with like a line in the middle of their face? Or is that a guy? I don't know.
I don't know.
You never know with anime. Also, these people too. Blonde hair? Makima doing a kind of sign. Kind of like taking a picture. Exactly how she pictures it. Well, I do feel like everything's going according to Makima's plan, though. So it makes sense. Who's that devil? Wonder if that's the gun devil. Oh.
I think I saw a picture of that devil somewhere else. I can't remember.
I see. Ah. Do that.
No.
Is this, technically Shota?
Is this... Yes.
Oh no. Editor Zero, don't forget to censor that, please.
It's the truth. I don't know.
I mean, yeah, but Susan doesn't like us saying that word.
This makes me incredibly uncomfortable.
This makes me incredibly excited.
You want to see Denji's dick?
Oh, well. Maybe? You think? You just had the most traumatic experience of his life. He's literally walking zombie again. Oh no, Denji, no! Indirect kiss, let's go! Win! Win!
The manipulation is strong.
The manipulation is strong with this one. That's life in a nutshell, Denji. I think vomit is kind of like the least of your worries in this kind of world. Well, yeah. There you go.
Was he keeping that in his pants?
Yeah.
Ew.
I mean, he's probably got to keep it for the rest of his life.
Ew.
That's just how guys are, you know? Like, the hand that they use to touch booba for the first time, they'll never wash again. Opa. Himeno, are you good? You're a good cook too? Oh my god. Did something happen? Oh, you tried. Himeno doesn't really like Makima, so... Exactly. Glad you know.
You're all odd here.
I don't really think... Exactly. Like, just live life simple. Pretty much everybody in the Force likes her. Wow, Himeno was just saying it outright.
Oh, if she gets them together, then Aki's free, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Sacrifice Denji to Makima.
Yes!
That's Denji's face right now.
Huh. Yeah, it makes sense. She's a simple girl who knows exactly what she wants. Said she was a cook, but it's kind of just a sandwich, so yeah. No, she wouldn't. Unless if it would benefited her. Going for reinforcements. Also, I like how it's just like, oh, spot the main character. What is up with you? Also, what plan is that?
No idea.
Uh-oh. Are we gonna see Makima pop off?
Oh.
Or are we gonna see her die? That makes sense.
Interesting. They all just went for those two. Okay.
Huh. She's not dead. I mean, you guys, might be wondering, why isn't Zero and Survey extremely shocked? There's no way that she dies there.
No. She's too
characters might think that
polarizing
she's
to die
dead.
there. She hasn't
But
done
yeah.
enough to deserve that.
That's, that would just be really bad. If she
Unless
just
she
died
is
there.
dead and we find out what she's done in the past. But she's not dead.
Yeah. Oh, are they just going to all get shot?
That would be interesting.
Yeah, the calm before the storm.
Weird.
Oh, Granny, no! Maybe
It's a taiko drum.
maybe their entire like squad was like ordered to be eliminated because Makima was kind of not following orders. Maybe.
Mm.
I mean, their little division was also kind of experimental, anyways.
It's weird that they're all like civilian people though, like the old lady.
Yeah. Or maybe it's the work of some devil that can control people.
Could be. Parasite.
Who are you? So
This dude's just going off on these kids eating ramen.
is he like the son of the Yakuza guy from the beginning? Yeah, yeah. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, killed his dad. Well, technically, no.
The gun devil's after your heart. Interesting.
Yeah. That means the gun devil is still alive?
Maybe.
Oh no. Oh? What is it?
Oh. Oh, it's this guy. It's the one we were talking about earlier.
Oh. Yeah, it is. What is that? It's
Denji's
another
evil
Denji.
twin.
A nail?
Oh, this is the sword he's not supposed to use.
Yeah, yeah. The smoking gun. What was that? Does Aki have like a deal with a different devil for his sword?
Yeah, we didn't learn that before.
Because yeah, that does not look like the fox.
No, it's a different devil. And it takes away his like time off his life.
Yeah. Curse? Oh, I guess we're gonna see it then. Ooh?
Interesting. It actually looks kind of like Curse from Dorohedoro.
Oh, wait, there's a character called Curse from Dorohedoro?
Yeah. You saw a glimpse of him, but you never actually knew that you saw him.
Oh.
The gun possessed him.
Oh, yeah. Because the gun devil and they all use guns, potentially?
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, and this girl. Yeah. I literally just mentioned her in the OP. Who are you? The way that other guy's dressed up, though, kind of makes him look like Jotaro.
Oh.
Or like that other guy from SMT5 who's wearing like the military uniform. I forget his name.
Yeah, no, I know who you're talking about.
Like, you look almost exactly like Denji. Are you maybe like a experimental demon?
They somehow
Did Aki just get sliced?
That's what it looks like.
Or did...
We had to have the pause for dramatic effect.
It's anime. Power can't even fight him. Ghost doesn't even want to touch her. What is she? Are you the big bad? Or are you just a lackey of the Kun Devil? Oh, are we going to lose Himeno here?
Interesting. We're going to see the rest of Ghost. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. I like
Very
it.
hands-on approach. Oh.
Ooh.
Flowers?
Oh, flowers.
Pretty.
I guess that makes sense for Ghost, because people would leave flowers for the dead.
Do you see any sign of resemblance to like some sort of yokai or something based on Ghost's design?
Just general Ayakashi.
Oh, she lost her arm.
Wow, that was a cool shot.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess we're gonna lose Himeno here. Huh? What can the girl do?
Oh. I like how they did that. Legs just went nope.
Oh, snake.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just instantly disappeared. What the?
Damn.
Did Himeno sacrifice herself for nothing?
Yup.
Shit.
That leads credence, though. I believe her eye socket was empty. This is a fun song.
Yeah, I can rock with this. Yeah. Wait a minute. Is this TK?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds a lot like TK. Yeah, it's TK.
Booba.
Booba gone. Also, Makima's
Pearl
dead.
Kitajima.
Ooh. Well, you could say a lot happened that episode. I guess my description of last episode, The Calm Before the Storm, is really accurate.
Don't know what to believe here. As gruesome and violent as the show is, it hasn't established a death really yet. And so then all of a sudden it goes and shoots half of our main cast and has Himeno sacrifice herself. And I don't know how much of it's gonna stick because, like I said, they haven't established basically any deaths up until this point. Makima's not gonna die there.
Yeah,
You
obviously.
had Denji shot in the head, so it's like he's not gonna die either. So the question is, Himeno.
I don't think death is the end in this show, or just in the Chainsaw Man universe. I can see a way where people come back as like some sort of devil.
I don't know about that one. I don't think I agree with that. Could they come back? Maybe. As a devil, no. I think it'd be more like a twisted like zombie or like gross reanimation more than it would coming back as themselves in any way.
Because the reason for that is because I do remember, I think it was in one of the EDs or maybe even the OP, where we see a halo above Makima's head, kind of like the halo above the Angel Boy. So I was just guessing maybe they do come back somehow in some way. Yeah, it's pretty clear that Makima's not dead yet. This can't be the end for her. So how would they bring her back if she did die right there, right? So that must mean that there's some sort of way where people can come back from the dead, or it's simply because Makima has some sort of power that allows her to not die there or to come back. I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't see them removing Himeno though.
I mean, I can see them doing it. I just, because I don't trust that most of the characters who are shown dead died, I don't know that I can trust Himeno's dead yet either. Though if any of them were to stay dead, she would be the most likely candidate just because her death is different.
Yeah. Her death is a bit more meaningful, where she tried to give up everything in order to save Aki.
But we also had like Aki
futile.
sacrifice many years off of his life. We don't know exactly how much it takes when he does that.
Yeah.
But he used it a bunch. We've seen everyone else basically get shot in what would in any normal world be a lethal shot. This is where I think shenanigans like reverting time are more likely than them staying dead.
Okay, so saying that this is actually happening and this isn't just like some sort of premonition that somebody's having.
Yeah, that's another option.
Between like Kobeni and Arai, this could be where Arai dies and then Kobeni survives. Fucking Denji comes back in order to fight this kind of copycat. But what devil is this guy? He's the son of the Yakuza. Yeah, what is that? A blade? Sword?
Some sort of bladed weapon, yeah.
Sword devil? Sword devil versus the chainsaw devil. Why is his design so similar to Denji's?
I feel like he's gotta be another weird fusion state.
So it's not like a fiend, like in Power's case, but he's in a hybrid fusion state like Denji, where
that's what I would think, yeah.
The sword devil kind of like formed a contract with him or merged their body with him. I hear the gun devil's after your heart. So it's not really a direct order. It's just maybe the gun devil has placed like some sort of bounty on Denji, on the chainsaw devil.
That wouldn't explain why they shot everyone else. Because there's clearly some sort of directive to kill all of them.
And everybody was killed using a gun, so maybe there's like this cult surrounding the gun devil.
Could be. I could see
and
that.
Potentially this entire unit was threatening to the gun devil, as that was pretty much their goal, right? They went around killing the devils and collecting all the metal pieces.
I can see that.
Maybe they decided, you know what, we'll just stop them right here.
And then we see the other girl who is clearly in control between these two, and she seems contracted to the snake devil, I'm gonna have to assume.
Yeah, that was a pretty big boy.
Big snake. To make sense that the snake devil would be powerful. Lots of people are afraid of snakes. I dread the day we see the spider devil. That's my fear.
Oh, wow.
I don't want to see it.
Just looking at her eyes, yeah, those are pretty much snake eyes. Makes sense. She is somebody who's in control. Maybe a commanding officer within this cult, potentially. I don't think like she's the main bad guy, obviously.
Where did the hat come from?
The hat on the devil?
Yeah.
I guess maybe it's part of his transformation.
The sword devil wear a hat?
Yeah. It makes him look stylish and cool, you know? He's gotta look cooler than Denji somehow. Yeah. Imagine if he didn't have that hat though. Would it just be like a flat top? So that wouldn't be really cool.
You're right.
Fucking snake devil just ate the ghost devil.
Yeah, get out of here.
Like what happens to Aki's fox devil? Like this guy cut its head out and escaped it. Is it
cut
gonna
it
be
right
okay?
in half, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this is again where I sit there and I go, I don't know how much of this is gonna stick. And then again, it's like I would believe that this show would kill people, like just because it's been dark and gritty. But we haven't actually seen anyone die yet, other than Denji's dad in a flashback
and mom
and Pochita.
Yeah.
But it's like we have not established any sort of death so far, only to then go and kill off more than half the cast. That's not feasible.
I do like the sudden turn that the show is going in, though.
Well, I do too. I wasn't a big fan of the last episode. Like, it was fun to see them chill and hang out and stuff. But it's like, this is the kind of stuff that I want. I want to see, like, what's going on? What's happening?
We're getting into the meat and potatoes.
I want there to be a fun twist.
Now we can start making a lot more theories as to what the fuck is even going on in the show, right?
I just want to break up just the monotony of the shonen grind of monster shows up, we fight monster. I'm hoping that we get some fun twist here. We'll see.
Yeah, I completely agree with that kind of like monotony. That was the main problem with like part 3 of JoJo's being like, oh yeah, it's the weekly villain, and then you beat the weekly villain in advance, right? But now
that's always
this
been
seems
my
like
problem with shonen. Yeah,
the show's going in a completely new direction and finally getting to the Gun Devil and potentially this assumedly cult that's surrounding him, or maybe his followers or whatever.
Whatever's going on here, yeah. Whoever our antagonists be. And how did they recruit the old lady?
I do feel like there might be some sort of mind control on these people because they're all holding guns, and potentially if it's linked to the Gun Devil, maybe he can control people through them. Oh, there was that part about how Makima mentioned, right? Where all the guns were kind of like pretty much censored from any media and kind of removed from basically society. So the fact that they were able to get their hands on guns in the first place is also a big red flag. Somebody had to supply them with it, and who better than the actual devil of the gun, right?
You know, the Gun Devil's body chunks that they've been collecting look like bullets. Do you think they were shot with bullets of the Gun Devil?
Usually, wouldn't that power people up though if like their body was filled with the Gun Devil's flesh? I don't know how that works.
I don't know what its effects would be.
It? Because we know that the devils that we've hunted have like consumed it. It's in their bodies, and that what makes them more powerful,
or maybe
right?
that's how the Gun Devil's possessing people.
Potentially. Like the Eternity Devil, right? He was talking about how he had kind of met the Chainsaw Devil before, and he also had like a Gun Devil's flesh in it. Maybe he did meet Pochita in the past or something like that. Or maybe it's because of the Gun Devil.
Have we had any like actual conversations with other devils that had the gun bits? I can't remember.
Nothing of note.
They've all just kind of like slished and slashed them.
Pretty much. Like a lot of the devils that Aki and Himeno kind of defeated on their own, they didn't really talk, and it was kind of off screen. And they did have a bit of the Gun Devil in them, so we're not really too sure about that.
Particularly like super powerful, not like the Infinity Devil.
I don't know. Kind of sad though. If we did lose Himeno, I'm kind of sad, but I'm still not gonna
I'm skeptical
say that they're all dead.
Yeah. I'm skeptical even on Himeno.
That's why like my reaction isn't.
I am half expecting a reset. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's too much damage too quickly. We'll see. I'd love to be surprised.
If you enjoyed the reaction, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Check out the playlist right here. But until next time, see you guys later.
Bye.